Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Huawei Mate X6. Okay, so let's begin. First, remember about your data loss. All of the data will be deleted, so please create a backup if you didn't do that earlier. Also, please charge the phone and we can begin. So first option is going to the settings, scroll down to the system and updates and click on reset. Then on the reset phone again. Here you can create a backup, and now if you press the red button reset phone, the phone will be resetted and you will need to set it up again. But the second option is the reset using the recovery mode. So to do this, first we need to shut off the phone. So simply hold the power button and then click on power off. Okay, now let's wait a little bit. Okay. And now all we need to do is to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the Huawei logo shows up. Okay, keep on holding this whole time. Okay, the Huawei logo shows up. We can release our fingers. Okay, and now we have this menu. To move on this menu, we are gonna use the volume buttons. If I simply click the volume down, I go down. If I click up, I go up. That's pretty simple. And if I want to select something, I use the power button. Okay, so now we need to go to the clear data, factory reset. In here, we need to type the word yes. Okay, volume up, and click on factory reset. Now we need to wait until this process is finished. Okay, reset successful. It was pretty fast. So now volume down, click on back, and now you can restart the phone. So again, you need to wait a little bit until the phone turns on. Okay. And basically all you need to do is just set up your phone, select the language, click on get started, and after you finish the setup process, the phone will be ready to use. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.